SEO Revolution. Video number 3. Advanced SEO Tips and Strategies for 2017. Whether you're a developer, startup, or business owner looking to rank on the first page of Google, we've got you covered. So let's get started with advanced SEO tips. SEO is rapidly changing from one year to the next, even from 1 month to the next. Business owners and marketers have to adapt quickly, but it's still possible to give your business website the edge on your competition. Number 1. Mobile friendliness is paramount. When creating your website, be sure to optimize your mobile. Remove items which might slow a mobile load time down, and also updating your website's page, design, and layout so it offers a smooth and speedy mobile experience. Number 2. When creating content, write about one topic first. For many industries, businesses, writing about one specific topic will showcase your company as an authoritative, professional voice in their industry, and Google loves authority. Number 3. Learn important keyword metrics. Search volume, average number searches each month, clicks per search, how many average clicks per search, keyword difficulty, a score of 0 to 100 with higher scores being harder to rank for. Try to find out what these metrics mean for your business. Number 4. Inbound Link Anchor Cloud. Within Ahrefs and Google Webmaster Tools, you are given access to your Inbound Link Anchor Cloud, which shows the popularity of different anchor text phrases based on the number of backlinks pointed to your site. Number 5. Focus on white hat SEO. Avoid link buying. An outdated and short-sighted black hat link building technique focuses on spending money to buy back links from shady websites trying to sell easy SEO solutions to companies that would rather just spend money in exchange for improved Google rankings than spend the time and energy to utilize real SEO solutions. Number 6. Use SEO software starting day 1. It is mission critical that you begin monitoring your site with advanced analytics starting on day 1. Free SEO tool, Google Analytics, Google Webmaster Tools, Google Optimize A/B testing, just released late March 2017. Screaming Frog, ugly interface but great on-page SEO audit tool. Number 7. Diagnose and eliminate technical on-site issues. Most webmasters are often ignorant on the many issues their website has with regard to how effectively they can be crawled by Google spiders. Hence, try to fix them. Number 8. SEO is constantly evolving. Keep up with Google. Google semi-regularly updates their internal algorithms to create better experiences for their users. But it's up to SEO experts to learn about and understand these changes. Number 9. Build links from websites with relevant content. One of the best ways to bolster your site's credibility is to focus your link building efforts to sites that produce high-quality content. Number 10. Optimize your page titles. Titles that are over 70 characters will not be fully shown in search results, and it comes off as quite unprofessional to users who can't view the whole title. Number 11. Create easy-to-read, understand URLs. One mistake we see many people make, unwittingly, is create pages with really long URLs. Google likes and suggests simple URL structure. Number 12. Become an early adopter. Use Google Trends to see when people search for keywords. You can even look at keywords over a 5-year period to see growth or negative search trends. Number 13. Focus on referring domains, not just links. Your TLD profile is taken into consideration by Google as they score your website, and sites that are well balanced are generally well received. Number 14. Don't forget about geo-targeting. Include your business location clearly and consistently. Formatted within your web content will help Google understand where you are located. Number 15. Structured data, schema markup, SERPA 2.0. Schema markup is a powerful tactic to make your Google search results appear more professional and eye-catching than your competition. Just remember to focus on solid content creation and copywriting fundamentals. Engage your viewers deeply and stay abreast of technical trends like backlinks, SEO health, site speed, and schema. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.